Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start by confirming the account is active. Sign in to Settings or Appleid. Apple. Com and verify your email and password. Once done, accept any new terms and conditions and complete two-factor authentication so Apple recognizes device trust. Make sure a valid payment method and billing address are added. This often triggers the iTunes activation flow. You're taking these steps now because iTunes requires a verified, billable Apple ID even for free downloads, so prepare the account before continuing. Next, force the store to register your Apple ID. Sign out of the App Store or iTunes, then sign back in with the verified account. Once signed in, try downloading any free app or media. This action forces Apple's servers to mark the ID as used in the iTunes Store. When prompted, carefully enter payment info or select None if available, and ensure the billing country matches your address. These steps complete the handshake between your device and Apple's storefront, which is the actual activation trigger. Finish by restarting your device, reopen the App Store, and verify that downloads or purchases complete normally. This confirms the ID is now marked as used. If the error persists, sign out of the Apple ID on all devices, reset network settings to clear cached connections, then repeat the download attempt. This removes stale tokens that block activation. If you still see the message after repeating the process, contact Apple support. They can inspect your account flags and finalize the iTunes Store activation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.